Hi everyone. My property gets a little wet once in a while, and when my daughter found out, she was clear she didn't want to inherit it. So I started fixing it up. New culvert for the end of the driveway, new water line and electric line for the well pump. And when I started looking for something to rent, I found out they're very expensive and hard to find. But one of these plus one of these gives me this. And when I get done, I'm still going to have a lawnmower. Does it work? Watch the video. Alright, a video walkabout of my Z-Buck from Little Buck Loaders on a ZT150. And I have put chains on the original tires. I'm probably going to change the tires out for something with some lugs. But for right now, the chains seem to be doing pretty good. I'm still debating whether to put some weight on the back. It's not clear to me that some weight would be really all that useful. I chose to do a mid-mount rather than mount everything hanging off the front. And there were a number of reasons for that. One of them was that this thing is a Zero Turn Mower, and with it hung off the front bumper, which this thing doesn't, this Cub Cadet really doesn't have a front bumper. With it hung off the front there, the way they suggest mounting it, any little bit of side sloping hill was going to cause the front to get drugged down the hill. So it was going to be a constant fight trying to keep a straight track. And by mounting it farther back, it reduces the amount of torque that the weight of the loader can put on the whole vehicle. So it doesn't fight me quite as hard. Mounting it where I did result, though, in me not really being able to back drag because this front wheel turns around and hits the bar. Now to fix that, I would have had to move the loader as much forward as I could. And that footrest on this Cadet looks like it's probably part of the structural strength of the framing, and I didn't want to cut into it very much. I think I could probably move it forward without cutting into that, and then turn this hydraulic unit over, because what happened when it was all the way forward was that the hydraulic unit hit the footrest before the arm even hit the axle. So where it's at right now, it actually goes down farther than it would if it was pushed farther forward from where it is. And I may do that eventually. Although I don't think that would solve the problem completely of being able to back drag. I still think the wheel would come around and hit the bucket hydraulic thing. In the background there is the pile of rock I'm going to work on today. Yes, it can get a pretty good scoop of this rock. Total time for the job was just about 2.5 hours. Right. It's King of the Little Mountains. It's all knocked down. And it's going to be drivable by my big van.